Eze, eze chetakwa m. Eze, eze chetakwa m. Misericorde, sicut patem. Misericorde, sicut patem. Misericorde, sicut patem. Misericorde, sicut patem. To cleanse. To cleanse. Orakwuo. Orakwuo. Uchu. Uncleanness out. To cleanse. Orakwuo. Uchu. Orakwuo. Uchu. Uncleanness out and wipe them out. Both past and in the present. Done present and done in the past. Reincarnators. All negative mindset. In the mind, in the soul, in the spirit. Negative possession. Against others. Negativities against others. They are all uncleanness. Negative, commanding negative influence. Abuse. Molesting, discrimination, racism, fighting others for no reason, all that has done you no wrong. They are all uncleanness, holding everybody down. And all the uncleanness, like a gospel, you brought into a house. You cast on against others in a house, in a building, in your room, to use them to manifest evil. To cleanse and wipe them out. I use male cow, female cow, roasters, hens, rams. You can get mother go 33, 22, 33 kola nuts, otters, magic wand, water, sanitizers, okra, burning incense, burning sage, 33 bitter colas, 33 uncooked eggs. To cleanse and wipe all out on Chukwu justices. Aja na Chukwu, Akodi, Akobala, Aja na Ukwu, Aja na Nta, higher and lower justices. Aja na Nri justices, truth justices, world justices. Aja na Umazi, little children teen justices. Aja na Isi Abanya, dreadlock justices. Aja na Njiko, joining male and female together to be husband and wife justices. And all physical and spiritual justices. All Supreme Court worldwide. I cleanse, wipe all out there. From mind, from soul, from body. Reincarnators, I cleanse, wipe all out. And I say, all right, get up, move forward. And be free. And move forward and be free. Prayer skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit. Based in USA NATO science and technologies. Transfer to family, generation, ancestry. Transfer to Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA, Mexico, Italy, Canada, Israel, Ukraine, all countries. Transfer to them. Transfer to all groups. Transfer to all religion, all crowds, all into all sports. All be free in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and myself be free. So Maribi, he say, Sanko and Chiefpriest, Odira Nkwuaku, Peter Odira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chiefpriest what? Chiefpriest USA. Transfer to Serenity Recuperative Care, East Los Angeles, California, and future upcoming sites. Transfer to all the staffs and their families. 24/7 automatic cleanse and wipe all out. So Maribi, he say, forward. USA.